Namaste student. Today we are going to learn how to draw OGIVE, or we call Cumulative Frequency Curve. So let's see. Here we have problem. so if you see, okay, let me tell you the little difference between these two. If you see the graph would look like this. For less than type, this will be your graph, and for more than type, it look like this. Okay. So graph will never be in descending order, see, in a less than type, and graph won't be ever ascending order. It always be in a descending direction for more than type. So let's see, here we have a problem. So the problem is, draw an OGIVE for the following data by less than method. Also determine median. So for this one, first we need to draw what? Cumulative frequency distribution table. So here we have cumulative frequency distribution table for less than type. Question has been given, marks has been given. We need to write here number of student we need to write. After that, marks less than, that means marks less than, here we need what we call upper limit. Okay, and here upper limit is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 for less than type. And cumulative frequency, how are you going to find? Just take 7 as 7 and then you add it. What? 7 plus 10, 17, 17 plus 23, 40, 40 plus 51, 91, 91 plus 6, 97, and 97 plus 3 will give you 100. So now this will be your x and this will be your y. X coordinate, y coordinate. Will plot the point 10, 7 on xy plane, Cartesian plane, in the first quadrant. So here we have data. We need to present it like that. So here we need first quadrant, so you need to draw like this. So x-axis, y-axis, we need to mention this one, marks on x-axis, and on y-axis we need to mention here number of student, frequency, which represent frequency here. Now this is very much important. This is your scale. On x-axis, look at here, according to problems. So what we're going to see, we need to see highest cumulative frequency number. That is what? 100. Minimum is 7. That means we need 100 on y-axis. And here for this one, for x-axis, we need to see the highest is 60 on x-axis. So what we have done here, on x-axis 1 centimeter, this 10 small division small box equals to what? It's 1 centimeter, and we have taken here as 5 marks. And for y-axis we have taken this 10 small division equals to what? 10 student. Now we're going to plot which one? 10, 7. So here we have x on x-axis 10, and then we need to go for 7. So here we have 7, 10, 7. Next, what we have? 20, 17. So here we have 20, 17. That means go 20 on x-axis and then 17. Where is 17? Here. Take a point, circle it. Next is what? 30, 40. So 30 and then 40. Here we have. Next, 40, 91. 40, 91. So this is your 90 and we need here 91. 40, 91. Next, 50. We need to see here 50, 50, 97. 50, 97 here, and 60, 100 here we have. So now here question is what? There's a little difference between your cumulative frequency curve and cumulative frequency polygon. If it is asked frequency cumulative frequency polygon, we use what? Ruler to draw, and for cumulative frequency curve we use freehand. But my advice always, for cumulative frequency curve or for cumulative frequency polygon, use ruler only. Okay, so let's see. We need to join. So point to point we need to join. This will be your this. Next, this point to this one here. Next, so here we have our cumulative frequency polygon. If we use freehand, then it will be cumulative frequency not polygon, ogive, that is your cumulative frequency curve. So this is your legend type. So if the question, already one more question is there, that is what? Also determine median. To find the median, what we're going to do, we need to find n by 2. So n is what? Total. Find the frequency, that is 100. Now n by 2 means what? 50. So here find 50 on y-axis, that is frequency. This is your 50. From y-axis we need to take a parallel line on x-axis until it touch your curve. Where it is touching, from that point we'll take a perpendicular line on x-axis, and wherever it will touch, that will be your median. This will be your median. That means we have taken here 1 point as 2, so we are getting here not 1 point, 2 small gap, we are taking 1. That means your median from the graph, we can say from the graph, median equals to what? 32. This will be our answer. Similarly, we need to proceed for your next problem. Here we have another problem. Draw an ogive for the following data by, not this one, sorry. We'll take, here we have draw a cumulative frequency polygon, not polygon, here we are writing curve for the following by using more than method. Same problem we have taken here. Also determine the median from the graph. So same concept we're going to apply. That is, here we have for more than type. For more than, again we're going to write marks, number of students, more than, marks more than, cumulative frequency. For marks more than, we're going to take here lower limit. See, in a less than type we have taken upper limit, and for more than type we're going to take lower limit. And here how are we going to find this one? We'll add from the bottom to top, like 3 plus 6, 9, 9 plus 51, 60, 60 plus 23, 83, 83 plus 10, 93, 93 plus what? 700. Okay, now we're going to plot this one. This will be your x coordinate and this will be your y coordinate. Now we're going to plot this one. So here we have graph, that means what? 0 to 100. So here we have 100, and this will be your 0. Here too we're going to plot here, this will be your 0 to 100. Next is what? 10 to 93. 10 is here, 93 we're going to find here. 1 1 2 3, this is your 93. Next 20 to 83. So 20, here we have 83. 1 2 3, this will be our 20 to 83. Next 30 to 60. 30 to 60, here we have 30 to 60. Next we're going to find, that is what? 40 to 9. 40 to 9, 9 is here, this will be your 40 to 9. Next is what? 50 to 3. 50 to 3. So 50 to 3, 1 2 3. This now we're going to join one by one from top to bottom. So here we have, here we are using, what we're going to use, we will use freehand, but again my advice, use ruler to get very close to the median. Okay, so this will be your more than type cumulative frequency polygon, or you can say the curve also, or OGIVE. Now we need to find median from the given graph. How are we going to do? Again same thing. What we're going to do, we'll find n means what, total frequency, that is 100, n by 2, that means 50. Again on y-axis, that is on frequency axis, so 50, here we have 50. We need to take a parallel line from the 50 on the curve here, so it's touching this part. Wherever it touch, from there we're going to draw a perpendicular on x-axis. Again you can see that 1 2 3 4, that means from the graph we are getting what, from the graph we are getting median equals to 32. So similarly, if the same question now they ask as what, draw a cumulative frequency for more than and less than, combined question will be asked, then how are you going to do? We'll go for same method one by one. So we need to make compact data here. So this will be your table for your less than and more than. So marks, number of students, less than method, we'll write here upper limit less than cumulative frequency, here for more than lower limit more than cumulative frequency. Same data together. After that, same data we're going to plot on a graph. First, what we're going to do, first we'll draw less than type like this. After that, on that only we'll go for more than, like 0 to 100, and then 10 to 93, like this. On that one you need to plot, and then you join, and we'll get here this one. And from this data, means from this graph, if they are asking us to find the median, it's very simple. No need to take from there, just you take a perpendicular line from the intersecting point, take a perpendicular line on x-axis, and whatever point we are getting, see again we are getting same thing from the graph, median equals to what, 32. Because the question was same, the answer will remain same for each method. I hope you people have understood. Thank you.